Alright guys, one last thing after we did the wiring for the front and rear coil, we still got to do the oxygen sensor optimizer. That's the last step before we got to program the power commander. This is what it looks like. These are the prongs, so we're just going to disconnect the actual O2 sensor, and we're going to connect one of these connectors so we could tap in, and then the other one's going to go to the actual stock harness. Very simple. Next step is going to be programming. Alright, I installed it. This is how you want to tuck it in and put the oxygen optimizer up by the brake line. Okay, I had a little bit of Velcro left, so I stuck it on the line and on the box, and still they only say to put the strap. I just put a strap. I have a little double protection that doesn't fall off, and everything away from the pipe, that way you don't have anything fry or damage. Next thing is, let's program this bike and let it fire it up. One cool thing that we are doing for this customer is we're going to put the race iridium spark plugs on there. Nice fine tip. They actually kick ass more. They have a little bit hotter spark. It's cleaner, and they don't foul as easy as the normal ones. Okay, I would always recommend something like this. Alright guys, now this is the best step. Don't forget, you gotta clean the pipe without rubbing alcohol. Make sure everything's nice and clean, secured. Final step is you downloaded the power commander program into your computer. Right, you're good to go. So they send you a disc, or you could also do it from their website. You pick the map that you already wanted. So I already got that set up, that I grabbed from once I got the software from Power Commander. So map's ready to go. All we're gonna do is press send. Real simple. Right here we have 000 because the bike hasn't been started. They give you the USB kit, which you're gonna connect to your laptop. Bring it up, and you're gonna connect it to the side of your power commander. The green light signifies that there's power. Okay, bike's good to go. Let's fire it up and find out what a real man's bike's supposed to sound like. If you guys watch the beginning of this video, the stock one's a piece. Listen to this purr. Here we go. Now that's a man's bike right there. Now look at the screen. See what I'm talking about? Watch when I RPM it. It's giving you all your RPMs, the counts, everything. System power, the green light says you're good to go. Now we're ready to, we already have our map. I already had everything pre-wired first. Send it. Look at the bottom, it's map sent successfully, one device. If it says map sent successfully, that map is already now inside your power commander, so you don't have to do nothing but now go test drive the bike and run it. That's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. You're set to go. Once that power commander is the map is in the power commander, you are finished. If anything ever happens where you feel that it got this program or the bike's doing an issue, go back, connect the USB, connect it to your laptop, resend the map, and you'll know. Okay? And you'll also know when you connect, it'll tell you. If you see the map that we put in is a map 1 for a 1415 Yamaha Bolt. It's the same setup for this bike. Two Brothers Comp S2 with the Comp B intake. That's the script. You'll always have that saved up. You won't lose that. And you could always search or make a custom map for your bike. But this is it. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram. Any of this custom work, we do it all here at Advanced Motorsport. We do engine performance, head porting. We port the intakes, the exhaust. I mean, we do it all. It could be fuel injected on, fuel injected 2-stroke. We go way back to the old school type of bikes. Just to give you a shot of what we got right now, in-house right now, a Baja bike ready to go. This is all custom right here. Nothing but the best, but Snap-on. Thank you guys. Any questions, suggestions? This is the Yamaha 950 Scrambler. Thank you, 2017. For those of you that want to know what the Two Brothers competition stainless steel exhaust sounds like for the 950 Scrambler 2017 with the Two Brothers exhaust, here you go. hope you guys enjoyed the sound. Hit us up if you guys need any programming, any parts. 619-691-0866. Thank you, Advanced Motorsports.